Let's take a look at this problem. 27x to the third minus 64, and we want to factor it. First thing we look for is GCF, and there isn't any. Groupings, 4 more terms, that doesn't fit. PSC and key number both 3 terms, that doesn't fit. Difference 2 squares, dots, 2 terms and minus 3, that fits. So let's try it. Try to write this as something squared minus something else squared. Now the 64 is fine, 8 times 8 gives you that. But when you get to the 27, nothing times itself gives you 27. So that fails. So our difference 2 squares fails. Well, that's okay. Because if we keep going down through our list, we got another one that says 2 terms with a minus string it. That's a difference to 2 cubes. Then we're going to find that one to work. Instead of writing it as something squared minus something else squared, we try to write it as something to the third power minus something else to the third power. So what you do is you try difference 2 squares. Most times you try it in your head and look at it and see it. But if that fails, then you go on and use difference 2 cubes. Now we ask ourselves what times itself 3 times gives us each individual piece. Like I'll start with 27. 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 27. X times x times x gives us x to the third. And 4 times 4 times 4 gives us 64. So I'm going to label what's inside my first set of parentheses as F for first. I'll label what's in my last set of parentheses as L for last. Our formula for the difference 2 cubes is F minus L times F squared plus FL plus L squared. Now everywhere we have an F in this formula, we'll plug in 3x, and everywhere we have an L, we'll plug in 4. So we got 3x minus 4 times 3x to the second power plus 3x times 4 plus 4 squared. Now 3x to the second power. 3x times 3x gives us 9x squared plus 3x times 4 is 12x, and 4 squared gives us 16. And that's our answer. 3x minus 4 times 9x squared plus 12x plus 16.